If equipped with a power tailgate on your vehicle, you have a number of options for both opening and closing it. From inside the vehicle, you can simply press the tailgate button on the overhead console to open the tailgate. For closing the tailgate, after pressing the button once, a message will appear in the instrument cluster to confirm the area is clear of obstacles. Press the button a second time to close the tailgate. Using your key fob, you can press the tailgate button twice to open. To close, press the button twice, holding the button down on the second press. At the rear of the vehicle, you can press on the release pad to open the tailgate. Once open, you will find a tailgate switch on the driver's side of the tailgate that can be used to close it back up. If closing the tailgate by hand, you will notice the handy tip-to-close feature. When you start gently lifting the tailgate, it will continue on its own until it latches. There are pinch sensors attached to the side of the tailgate. Light pressure anywhere along these strips will cause the tailgate to stop. If your tailgate will not fully open or latch close, check for damage or obstacles that may be preventing proper operation. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.